I think most of you here, you like mathematics. That's great. I happen to be a math student before. So at school, I read physics, chemistry, biology. So I'm going to give you some small gift in mathematics so that you'll be applying it and it will help you. Mostly when you are dealing with mathematics and multiplication from 6 to 9 tends to be a bit difficult. Is that not true? Multiplication dealing from 6 to 9 is a bit difficult. You have to think and think over before you come out with the answer. There is a simple method I have to present to you. Forget about looking at me with the turban. I'm just like you. So we're okay. When you take your right hand, how many fingers do you have there? 5. What of the left? And so you observe me, you look at me properly, and so that you see how we make the combination. You see, when you do this, are you seeing me? Yes. Very good. So when you bring the thumbs together this way, are you seeing the fingers? Yes. Very good. So this very first one, the thumb here, represents 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think you understand now. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you see it? Yes. So within that range, 6 to 10, ask of any number, then we'll multiply it for you to see. 6 times 9, thank you. So look at me here. You see, this is the 6. Is that not it? Yes. And the 9 is this very finger. Do you see it? Yes. Let me correct it so that you know it very well. You see the the one with the ring here? That is 9. Look at it. 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that not it? Yes. So you bring the 6 and 9 together. Look at it. It forms something like this. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Yes. Very good. Now, the 2 are together. The 6 and 9 are together. So from that point to your chest, you count how many fingers do you have? From the meeting point, including the 2 fingers meeting, to your chest, how many fingers do you have? One, no, look, wait. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see it? Yes. Are you seeing it? Yes. You can count it again. Do you see it? Yes. 5. Is that not it? Yes. So each one represents 10. So the total will be what? 50. Thank you. Your right hand, how many fingers are here? 4. 4. Then your left. 1. So 4 times 1. 4 added to the 50. 54. So you now get your answer. Ask another one. 9 times 9. So you see, this is 9, this is 9. Is that not it? Yes. You now see your 9. Bring them together. So you count from the meeting point, your right finger from the meeting point to your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that not it? Yes. Then here also 4. So 4 plus 4. Yes. So each one is 10. So that gives you what? Yes. So what of your the last one here? How many are here? 1. Then here, 1 times 1. Plus 80. 81. 9 times 1 is 81. Do you see it? So ask another one. Ask another one. Yeah, you are seeing it there. So you can do it yourself. When you master it, you don't need to be bringing even the hands together. You just look like this. When you look like this, you know it. And then are you with me? 8 times 9. You see, you just check your 8. 6, 7, 8. This is your 8. Is that not it? Eh? Then 9. This is your 9. So you bring the 2 together. Then you see that you have 3 here. You have 4 here. That is what? 7. So each one is 10. And that gives you what? 70. 70. What of here? You have 2 here and you have 1 here. 2, 1. 2. Then plus 70. 72. Yay! Huh? So who will try something? 7 times 7. Who will try for me? There's a hand here. The hand is there. Yes, 7, 7. Who will try here? Okay. Who will try? Who will try? Who will try? Okay, who will try? Come out for them to see. Try. 7 times 7. Okay. 7 times 7. No, face them. Don't face me. Face them. 7 times 7.
6, 7. This plus this 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 46. 49.
It's okay.
49.
Yeah. Good. Let's clap for him.
You see, it's this way. Watch it again. Look. Watch it again. And watch. Look, this is 6. This is 6. This is 7. So you see it. This is 6. This is 7. So look. Are you seeing it? You see it. 7 times 7. This is it. You see it. So with your right fingers, 2 here, 2 here. That's what? 4. So that means each one 10. Meaning what? 40. This is what? 3. And here, 3 times 3. 49. Are you getting it? So now I believe you understand it. And so you don't need to be suffering, struggling with your, what do you call it? Your calculator. You just put your hands this way, you look at right, left, and you answer it. It will help you a lot then. I believe you won't forget this day. So we are giving you water and also giving you what?
Mathematics.
Thank you so much. Yes. Don't forget, you should be praying for the premises, or you should be praying for them. Make sure that you pray for them. Because if they are through with their activities, obviously you are bound to get more. They have you at heart. You understand me? Actually, we came last, as he mentioned to you, with the intention of tree planting. And our respected dear chief, the Tolon Na, he made that request. He mentioned it that, no, the students here are suffering. Water is a serious problem for you and it's affecting your education. So something should be done about that. So he made a passionate appeal to them. And instantly, they said, no, we have to respond to this call. So they mentioned that they will get solution for you. And indeed, you are realizing it today. It will not take far. They will come and water will be flowing here, inshallah. Thank you so much.